Now we discuss some problems based on that. Whenever to find equation of circle, if center and radius are given to us, you need to write formula for that. Equation of circle: x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equals to r square. Why we are not using other formula? Because of center and radius are given. So when center is there, h and k you can consider to it. Now substitute x minus h whole square plus y minus k, minus of minus 3 is plus 3 whole square equals to r square. Okay. Now we will substitute this one. Expand this a square plus b square minus 2ab. Then a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab equals to 16. Now x square plus 4 minus 4x plus y square plus 9 plus 6y minus 16 is equals to 0. Now writing in order: x square plus y square, then x term, then y term, then add all the terms, constants. 4 plus 9, 13 minus 16 minus 3 equals to 0 is required equation of circle. Equation of circle: x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equals to r square. H and k are the values from center. So this is x minus cos alpha whole square, y minus sin alpha whole square equals to r square. A square plus b square minus 2ab, y square plus sin square minus 2y sin alpha minus 1 equal to 0. Right side plus 1 comes to left side. Now writing in order: x square and y square, then x terms, minus 2x cos alpha, then y term minus 2y sin alpha. Then you can write down the constants. So before writing constants, cos square plus sin square is 1. Then we have minus 1 equals to 0. Plus 1 minus 1 cancelled. Two y sin alpha equals to 0 is required equation of circle. Now same thing we'll do. We'll write equation of circle. Then we'll write formula for equation of circle: x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. So whenever center is given and radius is given, you have to use same formula. We are not using the other formula to find this one. Plus y minus of minus 9 plus 9 whole square equals to r square, 5 square. Now expansion: a plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Here also same thing: a square plus b square plus 2ab. This is minus 25 equal to 0. Simplify up to some extent and leave that one. Find the equation of circle passing through origin and having center at -4, -3. So first you can represent this one on the figure. There is a circle and what is given to us passing through origin. Passing means on the circle, if you are writing any point on the circle, that is a passing point. Passing through origin. So what I have considered for that one, passing point P, origin is 0, 0. And having center at. So center is given to us. Center is -4, -3. So two things we have on a circle. What are those things? Center as well as point on the circle. So immediately once we have center and point on the circle, if we have center and a passing point, what will be the radius? Radius is distance between these two, CP. So first to find radius, x2 minus x1. Because this is the distance, so we have to use distance formula first here, whatever we have used, y2 minus y1 whole square. Or you can take first minus first whole square plus second minus second whole square. So this will be -4 square is 16, 3 square is 9, this is 5. So we got radius. We have radius 5 and again we need to write center. See what we have done. To find equation of circle when passing through point is given and center is given. Previously to find equation of circle, center and radius are required. Now we have passing point and center, we don't have radius. So what you have to do? Diagrammatically represent on circle, find radius. Now we have both the things, radius and center. So if we have radius and center, previously what we have done to find equation of circle, the same thing we have to do. X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. So x minus h, minus of -4 is +4. Y minus k, minus of -3 is +3. R square is 5 square. So you can expand this one and come to the conclusion. Third, fourth are same. To find equation of circle, passing point and having center is given. So diagrammatically you can represent this. Whenever passing point means P, you can take anywhere. Passing through is P, 3, 4. Center at -3, 4. So we have passing point, we have a center. Now what we have to find? Whenever you have passing point and center, radius we have to find, CP or PC. First minus first whole square, that means x1 minus x2 whole square, y1 minus y2 whole square. This is 3 plus 6. 3 plus 3, 6 square, 36 plus 0. 36 square root is 6. So we have radius now. Once we have radius, can we find equation of circle? Not possible. So what we have to do? We have to take center also. H comma K. Now we can write equation of circle. X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. So this will be x plus 3 whole square, y minus 4 whole square equal to 6 square. Again, simplification part you can try. one of the most important thing in this unit. Find center and radius of a circle. To find center and radius, first check whatever given equation, write that given equation. First thing you need to check any coefficient is there or not. We don't find any coefficient. 1 is there. Suppose 2 is there here. Divide both sides by 2. So remove that coefficient first. If coefficient is not there, what you need to do is you have to compare with. Comparing with second equation of circle, what I have given to you in class 1, video 1, you can watch that. 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. This is equation of circle. X square, y square cancelled. Remaining x is also cancelled. What is remaining here? 2g is equals to minus 4. Then second one, y cancelled. 2f equals to with sign minus 8. C equals to minus 41. So what you will get after cancellation? Minus 2, 2 4s minus 8 and C is equals to minus 41. So from circle equation always you need to find G, F and C value. How to find that one? Coefficient of x is 2g, coefficient of y is 2f, constant is c. Now we need center. So in introduction exercise, center formula I have given to you, minus g minus f. Apply minus to these two, you will get the answer of center. Then radius. For radius I have given you the formula root over g square plus f square minus c. So this will be root over g square plus f square minus c, minus of minus 41 plus 41. So this is 4 plus 16 plus 41. So how much we have? Root over 61. So this is radius. To find center and radius from this equation, what I told you, if you find any coefficient, just divide them. Divide both sides by 3. So what we will get here? All left side values are divided by 3 in order to remove that coefficient. Then 3 cancelled. X square plus y square minus 5x by 3 minus 2y plus 4 by 3 equals to 0. Now the equation of a circle is simplified because we have removed this 3. In order to find the value of g, what we have to do? Comparing with an not writing equation, just to check whatever coefficient of x, negative value, that is 2g. Then coefficient of y is 2f. Then remaining is c. G is equals to f, cancellation is not possible, send this multiple to the denominator. F cancellation is possible, cancel that. C is 4 by 3. Now we need to find center and radius. Center is minus g comma minus f. Minus g means apply minus sign to this one, then minus f. Then find radius. Radius equals to root over g square plus f square minus c. So root over g square is minus 5 by 6 whole square, f square minus 1 square minus c 4 by 3. Now quite interesting thing is that you need to simplify this. Minus signs, no need to consider, minus square is positive. Now 36 is LCM for this. 25 plus 36 minus 3 12 times 12 4 48. So root over 30 40 50 61 minus 48 divided by 36. How much 61 minus 48? 13. Or you can write root 13 by 6 to conclude this one. Given equation. So equation is given to you. What is mentioned here represents a circle. So in formulas what I have given you introduction class, if anything represents a circle, we need to write it represents a circle. Coefficient of x square equals to coefficient of y square. This is the formula. And one more is there. And coefficient of xy equals to 0. Now what we have coefficient of x square? X square coefficient is 2. Y square coefficient is a. Xy is not there, so we are not using this one. So we got the value of a. Therefore, equation of circle will write that a value here 2x square plus 2y square minus 3x plus 2y minus 1 equal to 0. How we got this coefficient? How the value of a? By this formula. Coefficient of x square is always equal to coefficient of y square. Now we find x square and y square multiple 2. So we will divide this one. Divide both sides by 2. To cancel. X square plus y square minus 3x by 2 plus 2y by 2 is 1y is minus 1 by 2 equals to 0. First thing, to find a coefficients we have equated, then we wrote the equation, then we found 2 as multiple, so divide both sides by 2, then equation of circle is there. They have asked us to find radius also. To find radius, we need to equate this one, 2g. Coefficient of x is always 2g, remember that. Coefficient of y is 2f. Remaining is c. So g is equals to multiple 2 goes to the denominator. This is 1 by 2. C is minus 1 by 2. So radius equals to root over g square plus f square minus c. Root of g square plus f square minus c. So root over 9 by 16 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2. So root 16 is the LCM. 9 plus 16 4 times, 2 8 times. 13 21 by 16 is the value of radius. So remaining thing we'll discuss tomorrow.